Welcome to Motor Vision, your go-to channel for everything automotive where passion meets performance. If you love cars as much as we do, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the latest updates. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Infiniti G35. This car has been making waves in the automotive world, and for good reason. With its perfect balance of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, the G35 is a statement on wheels. Infiniti has taken its design language to the next level. The bold, double-arch grille, paired with those striking LED headlights, gives the G35 an aggressive yet elegant look. And those 19-inch alloy wheels? Pure perfection. Step inside, and you're greeted with luxury and innovation. Premium leather upholstery, a driver-focused cockpit, and an intuitive 2.3-inch infotainment system make this cabin both comfortable and high-tech. And let's not forget the customizable ambient lighting that sets the mood for any drive. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the G35 features a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that produces 310 horsepower. It delivers power seamlessly, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling sharp corners. And with its advanced suspension system, the G35 offers a smooth yet exhilarating ride. Infiniti has also packed this car with state-of-the-art safety features, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. It's designed to keep you and your passengers safe, no matter the journey. The 2026 Infiniti G35 truly redefines what a luxury sports sedan can be. But we want to hear from you. What's your favorite feature? Drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for tuning in to Motor Vision. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about the road ahead.